here at Makster 101 and we're making the Pillsbury Moisture Supreme Golden Butter Cake. So let's get started.
So right now we have the
cake mix.
Now we're pouring it in. The recipe calls for 3 eggs, but first let's put the water in.
So we add 1 cup of water.
3 eggs. 1.
First egg. Second egg. And third egg. Next up, you have to add a 1/2 cup of oil.
And then
mix.
there's the oven.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once you hear the bell, the oven is ready.
So mix it well so there's no bubbles in there.
Mix it well so there are no lumps, bubbles.
A lot of cake.
Let's go pour in the second batch.
And you want to make sure you get all that cake batter.
Yeah.
Because no one wants to waste cake.
Yeah. Cake is fast.
That about does it. Now
Okay.
we're gonna just smooth it all out.
We're gonna spread it around.
And then we're just gonna put this in the oven for 350 degrees and for about 25 minutes.
25 minutes. Okay, so we'll show you the end piece. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you enjoy your cake.